Mind if I push?
Yep.
So cool. Oh my god, we actually...
37.
Holy cow, we actually got on these.
This is at 1 Tampa City Center, Tampa, Florida. Otis Elevonic 411M. Former Lexan with the Dissappearing Indicator.
These are still pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
Ear spots.
It's 37. Otis.
Lexan call buttons.
No, the one with Lexan call buttons is over there.
2?
Yes.
Okay. Man, these are nice. Whoa!
These are really nice, I do agree. You want to take one more trip up?
Oh, sure. Doesn't grab.
Well, maybe the security does. But
Maybe he does, yeah. We're good.
oh, hello. Come on. You can go. There we go.
Ah.
The image quality on this thing's so good. On my phone.
So is my little iPhone 12. Image quality is pretty good on here too, but I think it's a little pixelated.
You're on 37. Alright, and we will end on 2.
What's on 2B? 228, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
I don't know, honestly. And we're stopping on 33. Going down?
I am.
What floor? 2?
2. I'm not getting videotaped.
Don't worry, you're
No,
not.
We're not.
Just the elevator indicators and buttons are.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, we're into elevators.
Good. Someone needs to be.
I just enjoy, hopping in a little room and getting able to take it up wherever, really.
Yeah, and there's a lot of different kinds of elevators. It's kind of like how with cars, there's tons of different makes and models. Same thing with elevators.
So why are you doing the research?
It's just interesting to me. It's a hobby.
As your shirt would indicate.
Have a nice day, sir.
There's the Lexan call station right there.
Yep. There that elevator goes. And there they go, and that'll be it.